everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into BOB credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now to log into BOB Financial Solutions, or formerly known as BOB Card Limited, simply tap open a web browser on a mobile device. In the search box, type in www.bobfinancial.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official site of BOB Financial. Simply tap on the login button at the top of the screen and you'll end up in the sign-in area. If you've not registered your card yet, then you can click on this register your card button at the bottom of the page. If you already have an account registered, type in your username associated with your account in the first text box. Right beneath, enter the security alphabets or the CAPTCHA. Enter the CAPTCHA shown and make sure to type it in exactly as it appears. After you are done entering the details, tap on the proceed button and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to log into your BOB Financial Solutions or BOB credit card account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.